Welcome to our comparison of two leading foot massagers designed to provide relief from plantar fasciitis and neuropathy pain. Today, we will take a closer look at the COMFIER Shiatsu foot massager, known for its affordability and comprehensive features, and the ALLYOUGER Shiatsu foot massager, which offers advanced technology and customization options. We'll discuss their pricing, massage techniques, and overall effectiveness to help you decide which one might be the best fit for your needs. When it comes to pricing, the COMFIER Shiatsu foot massager is significantly more affordable at just $79, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the ALLYOUGER model is priced at $179, reflecting its premium features and advanced technology. This price difference is a crucial factor for many buyers, especially those looking for effective pain relief without breaking the bank. The COMFIER model offers basic controls with limited customization, providing essential features for foot therapy. However, the ALLYOUGER model excels in this area, featuring 4 massage modes and 5 intensity levels, allowing users to tailor their massage experience to their specific needs. This level of customization is particularly beneficial for those with varying pain levels or preferences. In terms of technology, the COMFIER Shiatsu foot massager utilizes standard compression techniques, which may suffice for general use. On the other hand, the ALLYOUGER model incorporates advanced 6D compression technology developed with input from physical therapists. This technology allows for more precise targeting of acupoints, providing a more effective and therapeutic massage experience. In conclusion, both the COMFIER and ALLYOUGER Shiatsu foot massagers offer unique benefits tailored to different user needs. The COMFIER is an excellent choice for those seeking affordability and essential features, while the ALLYOUGER stands out with its advanced technology and customization options. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.